Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to use your device as a monitor. To do it, first open the settings. To open the settings, press the start button, then go to settings. Then in settings, select system, and then go all the way down to optional features. Open this section, and here you should look for wireless displays feature, just like here, just like this one. The thing is, I have already installed it, but if you didn't do that, click View Features, then look for wireless display, and once you find it, hit the checkbox next to it, click Next, and then click Add, and wait until this feature is added. And once this feature is added, go to the System options, go to the Project into this PC, and then change this one option to either Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on Secure Networks, depending on which network you are connected to using Wi-Fi. And the very important thing to mention that both PCs, both this one, which will be used as a monitor, and the other one from which we're going to be projecting the screen, have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So click Available Everywhere or Available Everywhere on Secure Networks, and then if you want to project to this PC even when it works on battery power, switch this toggle to the left. And then let's switch to a second PC. Now on the other PC, which is this one, make sure that you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network before you connect the display. So we make this laptop a monitor for this one. And after that, use a combination of Windows and K buttons simultaneously, and you will see this display right here on the screen, this laptop. Simply select it, and then on this one laptop, click OK. And once you click OK, the display of this laptop will be projecting on this on that one. So let's wait until they connect. Okay, and right now, as you can see, they are both connected with each other, so we can do whatever we want on this laptop and it will be transmitted to that one. So let's check the streaming quality. For example, let's open the YouTube and check how video streaming works. And as you can see, the video streaming quality is pretty smooth, but generally I wouldn't recommend to use this feature for watching movies, as it would be much better if you used HDMI cable instead of this. But if you want to stream some presentations or other lighter, less frame changing kind of stuff, then of course it's a great thing, a great feature to consider. As you can see, it works seamlessly, and if you want to disconnect this laptop from that one, you can either use Windows K combination and click Disconnect right here, Or otherwise, if you want to disconnect from that one PC, you simply have to close this window and the streaming will be stopped. And that's it. So basically that's how you can stream videos from another laptop on this one. And I hope that this video helps you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.